This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Hanover County. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home. This is new construction. As you can see, we've got an active construction site. We are going to go in and take a look. This home is not that far along past the drywall stage, so I'm going to point some things out to you. We've got some telltale signs in here that gives us an idea of exactly what's going on, and we can kind of predict the future. This is our front door here, but as you can see, we got a whole lot going on here, and unfortunately my insurance doesn't cover all that. So we're going to go in the garage. It's going to be a little bit easier for me to navigate, and I'm going to take you back to the front door so we can go ahead and get oriented. I can see here we've got a vent line, and I imagine because we have a water line right there, that probably means we're going to have a tankless water heater that's going to be positioned right there. The garage is a pretty common place for them to do that, and that's what that configuration looks like to me. We've got a closet there right behind the door, and if we make a left here, that's going to be our front door right there. So I'm going to start here and show you exactly what it looks like as we enter. Now, for this builder, this is unusual to see that arched entryway. So that's a very unique design for them. Here to the left, we're gonna have our secondary bedrooms. This is a smaller house than what we've looked at previously. This is Carolina Place is the actual name of this model. This is bedroom number 1 right here. And right next to it is going to be bedroom number 2. I think these are about the same size bedrooms. Here to the left on this side of the house, we have conveniently located a full bath. I know our vanity is going to go right there. Our toilet beyond that, and all the way in the rear is going to be actually a stand-up shower. It's going to be a large stand-up shower. Here to the left is going to be our linen closet. Okay, we're going to flip around and go into our kitchen through this archway. Here in the ceiling, we can see we've got a coffered ceiling, and that's going to look really, really nice once they finish. We are open here to the kitchen area. Right now, we are in the family room. Plenty of windows here. Nice tall ceilings as well. Here to the left is going to be our pantry. And I can tell by our configuration, that's where our refrigerator is going to go. Those receptacles are, of course, going to be in the kitchen right above the countertop. Our range is going to be right here. It's going to be a gas range. That's our gas line. And directly above is going to be our range hood. They vented that range hood directly outdoors, which is nice because many range hoods just simply recirculate air back into the home. So it's nice to have exhaust taking it directly out. Here is our island, and those are our hot and water lines and our drain line. This is going to be for, as I mentioned, our island. And they're probably going to put a nice big piece of granite right on top of that island. Here, directly ahead is going to be our dinette space. And I'm going to peek out the door here. I wanted to show you something here they did was pretty unique. Now, to the left there where you see the deck, that is actually the exterior line of the home. And they have put this deck here kind of recessed back into the home. And then overhead, you're going to have 3 outlets. They could put some ceiling fans right there. And those ceiling fans can move the air around. It can give you shade and, of course, shield you from the elements if it were raining. So just a nice covered deck scenario there. Okay, we're going to pop back through. I'm going to take you upstairs. We actually have upstairs space, just a little bit of it here in this home. And then I'm going to finish up in the master. Directly ahead is going to be this is actually our laundry. I can see our connections there for our gas line and also our exhaust. This is simply going to be a coat closet here underneath the stairs. Just a really nice floor plan. This is one level living. If you do not want to go upstairs, you don't have to, because we just have simply 1 bedroom and a full bath up here in the 2nd level, and that's it. Here to the right is just going to be an access panel for our heating and air unit. Directly ahead is a closet, and then to our left is going to be a bedroom. Another closet right there, and our bathroom. Vanity is going to go there, toilet there, and then our fiberglass. Actually, it's not fiberglass. It's going to be tile, a tile tub bath enclosure. The reason I know it's going to be tile is because this fiber rock tile backer, tile being the operative word, I know that tile is going to go right on top of that. It's not going to be fiberglass. If it were going to be fiberglass, they actually put that fiberglass tub shower in when the home is framed. So you can tell immediately that that's what it's going to be, just simply at the framing stage of new construction. So just a little telltale sign for you. Okay, here to the right is going to be our master bedroom. They put this on the complete opposite side of the home as the other bedrooms. Nice tall ceilings. We've got the tray ceiling in here as well. We actually have a door going off to the deck, which is a really nice feature. It doesn't want to open for me, but I think you get the idea. So you can either hit that deck from the bedroom or from the kitchen side. Really neat floor plan. We've got a smaller closet that's right here, but our larger main closet is going to be in the master bath. Okay, here in our master bath, we know that we've got a double vanity because we have connections there and there. They put a window in here, which is really neat. You can have some natural light flowing right here into the vanity area, and we've got light fixtures on both sides. Here to the left is going to be our tile shower. Your ceramic tile would go all the way up, and of course your shower head would go right there. They actually put a little bench in place as well. This is going to be our water closet. I can tell because that's exactly where our toilet will sit. And then here to the left is going to be our main walk-in closet. This is going to be the large closet we just saw in the bedroom where there was a smaller closet. So you've got two closets for this master. Really, really cute floor plan. They've got a pretty good range of prices here in this subdivision. They've got a swimming pool that's coming in, walking trails, tree house, playground, zip line, a lot of amenities for families that want a little bit more than just a typical neighborhood. HOA is going to be about $85 a month. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. Please let me know what you think about this floor plan. I'd be happy to chat with you. I can reach on Facebook, under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Have a great day.